The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can go in and change some attributes of the data that you just entered. You might realize you've made a mistake, or you might want to add an additional observation after you've actually updated the data. All you do is you select a point. You'll notice that a little blue ring appears around it, and down here the little summary shows you pretty much the color of the point that you've selected. Remember, the color is color-coded based on damage severity. Let's pretend I want to change that and add some more notes that I forgot to add on the first round. I select it. I click on that little shadowy arrow. All I have to do is say Edit Feature, because it is an existing feature and I need to edit it. I might decide to change the damage type. I now have the ability to do that. I can go back in basically and change every single thing that I did when I first added the data. I'm just going to go in here and say additional observation. Once that's done, I might add another picture, which will be of my message board here. Going to hit OK. There's the second attachment. I have now edited my point. I again click on the check mark, and now this update has been sent. And that's about it. That's all you need to do to add or edit data to the map. Another quick demonstration: if you have added a point by mistake and you decide you want to delete it, click on that and you can delete it. I highly recommend you do not do so, since you may be accidentally deleting a point somebody else added. If you must delete a point, please select it, go to Details, and first ensure that this map was added by yourself. I'm going to go check that one. This is the name, CL Home. I think when I added this point today during the demonstration, I had not actually done the observer name. That's why it had that weird text here. I'm going to update it, and when I click on it, sure enough, if I show the details, it says CL Test Demo. Once I have confirmed that this is something that I have actually added, I am now free to delete it. I can also do it from here by clicking on the delete button. Delete, there it is, it's gone. And that's about it. We're going to back out now until we're at the all maps, and the next video is going to demonstrate how to work in the offline mode. Thank you for watching.